In a quiet, beautiful village surrounded by rolling hills and green fields, lived a young man named James. Although his family came from modest means, Ahmed carried a big dream. He wanted to become a successful engineer. Although his family came from modest means, Ahmed carried a big dream. He wanted to become a successful engineer. Although his family came from modest means, Ahmed carried a big dream. He wanted to become a successful engineer. He studied late into the night, often by candlelight, after helping with household chores and working in the fields. Despite the challenges, Ahmed excelled in school. His dedication caught the attention of his teachers, who encouraged him to apply for a scholarship at a prestigious engineering university in the city. Ahmed saw this as his golden opportunity. He prepared intensely for the competitive entrance exams while also working part-time jobs to support his family and save money. His efforts paid off. He earned a full scholarship. Overjoyed, he packed his bags and set off to the city, determined to turn his dreams into reality. Life at university was tough. He faced a steep academic curve, language barriers, and the pressure of keeping up with classmates from more privileged backgrounds. But Ahmed didn't let that stop him. He asked for help, formed study groups, and made full use of all the resources available. Years of hard work led to his final year, where he took on a capstone project inspired by the challenges faced in rural communities. He designed an innovative water purification system that was both cost-effective and sustainable, capable of providing clean drinking water to underserved areas. The project amazed his professors and attracted interest from industry leaders and environmental organizations. He also implemented his water purification system in the village, improving the health and well-being of the entire community. Ahmed's story became a symbol of hope and inspiration. He proved that with passion, persistence, and a little support, even the biggest dreams could come true. In the years that followed, Ahmed mentored young aspiring engineers from similar backgrounds, helping them navigate their paths to success. His true legacy wasn't just in the innovations he created, but in the lives he uplifted, and the future he helped shape. He showed the world that real success comes from lifting others as you rise.